atom. Hebrews 11:1 definition. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Atom. In John 20:29, Jesus said unto him, Thomas, because thou hast seen me, thou hast believed. Blessed are they that have not seen and yet have believed. You cannot see atom with your eyes, but you believe they exist. Christ manifesting that to Thomas. So the opposite of atom is acid, which is doubt. Romans 8:24. For we are saved by hope, which is faith. But hope, which is faith, that is sin, is not hope. So atom that is sin is no more atom. It is no more smallest. For what a man seeth, why doth he yet hope for? What you sin, why are you still calling it an atom? In Romans 8:25. But if we hope for that we see not, which is atom, then do we with patience wait for it. So we wait to see the atom that we can't see with our naked eyes. We patiently wait, which is the attribute of faith. Hebrews 11:6. But without faith, which is atom, it is impossible to please him. Can you see this? It is impossible to take part in chemical, spiritual reaction. For he that cometh to God through the shells must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. At the orbital shell in Matthew 17:20. And Jesus said unto them, because of your unbelief, for verily I say unto you, if ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, you can see that the smallest seed in the whole earth, faith atom, ye shall say unto this mountain. You see, it's not by height or by size. The smallest indivisible particle of an element can take part in chemical reaction. Remove hence to your yonder place, and it shall remove. It will take part in that reaction, and nothing shall be impossible unto you. Understand this concept, understand faith, and manifest the faith in your spirituality. In Luke 17:5, and the apostle said unto the Lord, increase our faith, increase our atomic level, increase our reaction through the atoms. In Luke 17:6, and the Lord said, if ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye might say unto the sycamore tree, be thou plucked up by the root, and be thou planted in the sea, and it should obey you, which is faith. Hebrews 12:2. Looking unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith, the atom. He is the author of atom. He is the finisher of the atom. The reaction that will take part in the atom or within the atomic, subatomic level, it is Christ that will author it and finish it. Set before him through the shell, endure the cross, which is the shell, despising the shame, the negativity, and he set down at the right hand of the throne of God. Emergence by reaction. Combinations, abilities of atoms. Atoms can combine with other atoms through chemical bonds, which is faithful to form molecules, which are the building blocks of all substance in the unit. In John 15:5, I am the vine, Jesus Christ himself, ye are the branches, which is the shell. He that abideth in me, in the shell, as the electrons, and I in him, as God in the man, the same bringeth forth much fruit. Reaction, chemical reaction, for without me ye can do nothing. Without the atom, there will be no chemical reactions. Take note of that. Number 3 has a specific atomic number, the number of protons and atomic mass, which is the total number of protons and neutrons in Galatians 5:22. Molecules, now we said they are a group of 2 or more atoms chemically bonded together. In Matthew 10:5, these 12, which is the molecules, now since it's 2 or more, the disciples became molecules. These 12 Jesus sent forth and commanded them, saying, go not into the way of the Gentiles, because they are chemically bonded together, and into any city of the Samaritans enter ye not. In Matthew 10:6, but go rather to the lordship of the house of Israel. In Mark chapter 6:7, and he called unto him the 12 and began to send them forth by 2 and 2. Remember, I will say a group of 2 or more atoms chemically bonded together. Number 3 has a specific molecular formula and structure in Acts chapter 2:42, and they continue steadfastly in the apostles' doctrine, specific molecular formula and structure and fellowship, and in breaking of bread and in prayers. It was specific, it was a definite structure. In 44, and all that believed were together and had all things common. That's a specific molecular formula and structure, and sold their possessions and goods and parted them to all men as every man had need. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.